Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So if maybe you accidentally block someone on Facebook or you no longer want to have someone blocked on Facebook, in this tutorial I'll show you how to go into the Facebook settings and unblock them. Now before we get into how to unblock someone on Facebook, it's important to note that if you unblock someone on Facebook, you will have to wait 48 hours before you can block them again. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then we need to open the menu, and we do that by selecting the menu button in the bottom right of the app. Once the menu is open, simply scroll down until we see Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and select that, and then under Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Once we're in the Settings and Privacy area, we need to scroll down under Audience and Visibility and select Blocking. This will bring up blocking where we can see all the people that we currently have blocked on Facebook. To unblock anyone, simply select Unblock next to the person you want to unblock. This will give you a quick warning. If you unblock this person, they may be able to see your timeline and they may be able to contact you. And any tags that either of you previously added may be restored. So once you're sure you want to unblock this person, select Unblock. And then as you can see, they have now been removed from the block list and that person is no longer blocked on Facebook. All right, so that's how you unblock someone on Facebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.